Good day, everyone!
Today, we are going to show you some tips on how to improve communication skills using commonly used English sentences.
Are you ready? Let's begin! Tip number 1. Learn to listen. When communicating with others, we often focus on what we should say. However, effective communication is less about talking and more about listening. The better you listen, the better you are at communication. First, listen to what others have to say, and then you can provide a thoughtful answer. It shows you have taken those ideas. Tip number 2. Show respect. People have different talents, opinions, and different abilities. Respectful communication involves the ability to effectively assert your own views and fully listen to the views of others. Tip number 3. Maintain eye contact. Eye contact is a type of body language that is extremely important in communication and conversation. Sometimes our eyes and body language speak even more than our words. Tip number 4. Ask questions. Asking a question is a powerful tool in community of questioning. It's a very good way of starting a conversation and keeping it going. It's also a very good way of obtaining more information about a particular topic. Tip number 5. Avoid interrupting. Interrupting is the ultimate conversation killer. Sometimes, people have problems with interrupting others. With constant interruption, effective communication is almost impossible when we interrupt someone.
Did you enjoy watching some tips on how to improve communication skills today?
You want more? See you on our next video! Bye!